In this video, I'll show you how you can fix your Rockstar Games launcher is not working. Now the first thing we can try is to add it as an exclusion. So add the Rockstar Games folder, which should be under here. This one, just add this under the virus and threat protection. So you can search for virus and threat, find the settings here, manage settings, and add or remove exclusions. Now see if this works, and if it still doesn't work, another thing you should do is try and find the folder that we just found in here, and it should be there. Then what you want to do is you want to try and rename it. So just rename and add a number or anything in front of it so it renames. Press OK, and once it's renamed, you want to come back and find your launcher. Go to Properties, Compatibility, activate Run this as an administrator, press Apply and OK, and then try and launch it. If it still doesn't work, come back in here and try and activate these and launch this in Windows 7 and try Windows 8. Once you've tried all of these, it should hopefully work. Otherwise, another thing you can do is, and this is a little weird, but you can try and uninstall your OneDrive. So search for apps and features, OneDrive in here, and then try and uninstall it. Now, after doing all of this, it should hopefully work. Otherwise, try and give your PC a restart. Now, I really hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please leave a like and subscribe, as it helps me out a ton. Thank you so much for watching.